Hey, did you know that over 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? If you're struggling with bloating, gas, constipation, or even low energy, your gut might be the reason why. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful natural ways to heal your gut, plus an extra boost for those who want optimal results. Stay tuned. One of the best ways to restore gut health is by eating more fiber-rich foods. Foods like leafy greens, oats, flax seeds, and apples help feed good bacteria and improve digestion. Fiber acts like a broom, sweeping out waste and toxins from your gut. Excess sugar and processed foods feed bad bacteria, leading to bloating and inflammation. Try swapping out processed snacks for whole foods, fermented vegetables, and fresh fruits to give your gut the nutrients it needs to thrive. Hydration is key for gut health. Drinking enough water helps with digestion and prevents constipation. Herbal teas like ginger, peppermint, and chamomile can also soothe inflammation and improve gut function. Did you know stress directly affects your gut? High stress can lead to poor digestion and imbalanced gut bacteria. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to lower stress, and ensure you get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night for a healthier gut. Taking care of your gut naturally is the best first step. A balanced diet, hydration, and stress management can do wonders for digestion, but sometimes our gut needs additional support. If you're looking for an extra boost, Dr. Berg's 60 Billion Probiotic Supplement provides beneficial bacteria to promote digestive balance, reduce bloating, and enhance nutrient absorption. Check the link in the description for a special offer. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more natural health tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite gut healing remedy? See you in the next video.